Teachers, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a couple tips for parent-teacher conferences when it comes to a one-to-one environment. The great thing about the one-to-one and students having devices and everything being tracked on Canvas and Google is it is a very clear picture of what the student does at school and how they participate inside their courses and the time that they spend on their work. There's two ways that you're going to look. There's two different systems that we're going to look at. Canvas and the student information on their activity, and then Google per assignment. What I suggest for parent-teacher conferences is that you invite the student with that parent and have them bring their Chromebook. That way you can have your device as a teacher and show that interaction, but you'll also be able to show them the true work that is done on Google on the student's device. Inside of Canvas, all you need to do is go to your course, go to People, search for the student, click on the student, and then over on the right side, you have all kinds of options to find out information about that student. If you start at the top, you see Analytics. When you click on Analytics, it's going to take you to a page that gives you a full picture of their activity inside your course. It gives you page views, participation in this first menu. It also gives you communication throughout the year. The blue is your communication with the student, and the orange is the communication from the student to you. Then you have a submissions area. This is really great. The green dots show the submissions that were submitted on time. The triangle shows late submissions, and the red shows missing submissions. And you can very quickly see the trend of that student's submissions. You come down, and then you can see the range of the student's score. The little horizontal line shows the median comparable to the other students inside of the course, and where that student scored. All of the green show a good score, any triangles would show a fair score, and the red box would show a poor score. It will all show up on the lines shown here. You can see here, the score is above the median, and it's a good score. Right here, it's below, and it shows a fair score. So you can really quickly show a parent their experience inside of Canvas and how they are interacting inside of your course. And now we're just going to return back to the student screen. And then on the right side, you can click on Grades. This will give all grades within Canvas and that are graded within Canvas. You can see any kind of comments, you can see the grade and the score out of. You can click on any of these assignments to find out more information. At the bottom, you can break it down for percentages for groups of assignments that you have, like lab assignments, and then totals. You can then show all details. It shows their score comparable to the other students in the class. It also gives you some information on the right side. Let's go ahead and go back. And then you can also click on Interactions with You. This will show you any kind of communication that happened between you and that student. And finally, the Access Report will give you all assignments and things that are in Canvas for your course and how much they participated in your course. This student has viewed this course homepage 117 times. It'll show how many times they have participated in any course and the date of participation. Let's go ahead and go back. And that gives you the full data picture of that student inside of your course in Canvas. Let's jump over to Google. This is where you will jump over to the student's device. You will pull up their Google Drive and the assignment that's in question. For this example, I'm going to use this document. You would open up this document. And if you're on that student's computer on their document, you can find out all the revision and changes that were made to that assignment. So you can pull up that assignment that they scored poorly on and see when they worked on it, how much they worked on it, and all details of the history. All you need to do is click on File and See Revision History. This will pop out a menu to the right. You can go down to the bottom and say Show More Detailed Revisions, and this will show every save that Google had made on that assignment. You can even click on one of the times it was saved, and it will actually show you in a highlighted fashion what was changed during that time. This will also allow you to see if any of the work was copied and pasted. You would see one dump of information really quickly rather than individualized work on the assignment. You can see all the work that I have done listed here, and then the collaborators that have jumped into this assignment and worked on it with me. You would only see this if it was a group project. Otherwise, it would just show that single student's revision history on the assignment. I hope this helps. Have great conferences. Let me know if you have any questions.